Volume limiting headphones for little heads? Let's check them out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out these. These are the iClever BTH22 Kids Bluetooth headphones. They are small enough for the heads of 4 or 5-year-olds, but they have a lot of expansion and they're actually pretty comfortable. Even adults can wear these. And what makes them really notable and why they're kids Bluetooth headphones is because they have volume limiting built in. Now, if you're letting your kids just use earbuds or headphones without having ones designed with volume limiting, you're hurting their hearing. Because as much as you want to police it, as much as you want to be in control, they're going to turn up the volume and then maybe they'll turn it back down just as you show up. Or they're playing games or watching videos where there's big spikes of sound, and that hurts their hearing in the long run. And not only that, but high frequencies in particular have been shown to have a bad effect on long range or long-term hearing. So enter iClever. They're one of many companies now that have said, oh, we can limit the volume in the circuitry, so we can make sure that whatever they set the volume of the source to, this is never going to get louder than a certain point. What's that point? So by default, they come out of the box with a maximum of 85 decibels, which is pretty loud, but with a magic push of both the volume up and volume down, you can actually drop that limit down to 74 decibels. Now, I have these set to 74 decibels and I've been listening to music and watching some YouTube videos and stuff, and as loud as I want to make it, they just don't really get much more than just sort of a pleasant, encompassing sound. Now, here's what's surprising is that they are incredibly affordable, but they're still featured and powered by 40mm drivers, Bluetooth 5.4. These are the most advanced Bluetooth of any product I've looked at recently. They have USB-C charging. All the stuff's happening on the right earpiece. So when you put them on, as I do like this, they're actually very comfortable, but USB-C charging, they're on ear. They have 60 hours of playback time on a charge. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and here's a nice thing. It comes with a 3.5mm to 3.5mm wire, so if they run out of battery and you're on an airplane or something, just plug them in with the wire to the source device, and your child will be merrily back on their way watching their favorite show or playing their favorite game, no problem. Now, that maximum volume also lowers those high frequency sounds too, so it does sort of double protection. And you know, if you're thinking about when you were a kid and you just wanted the freedom to turn the music up, the fact is that didn't do your hearing any good. So I think that at the maximum volume, particularly for little people, they're not going to really know. They're just going to be like, they just don't get that loud. And they're not going to think about it. So it's going to be something where you're being a great parent. And it's all because you picked up headphones that have volume limiting. Easy enough. Now, they're also pretty tough, and they're made out of an ABS plastic that doesn't have any BPA or PVC. If you know what those acronyms are, you know that those are harmful additives to many plastics, but iClever has avoided using those. And these are protein leather cups and the headband, and that means that they're not real leather, so no animals were harmed in the making of this product, which is good. They are 5.2 ounces. They're super light. They're super comfortable. And as you can see, the earpieces fold up to make it pretty darn easy to transport. And let's see, so comes with a user manual, which your kids probably are not going to care about, but you'll want to know that you can teach them a lot of different features. So it has 3 buttons on the right-hand earpiece, as you can see, and that doesn't look like much, but volume up, volume down, press and hold, and you can do next track, previous track. The middle button can also do pause play. You have button combinations that can get you back to Bluetooth pairing or to power it off. All of it is documented in this. instructions which cover like, I don't know, 80 languages simultaneously, so it's a little confusing to read, but you only have to go through it once to figure out the basics, and then you can show it to your kid and it's like, okay, so now you're listening to music and you need to pause because mom's talking to you. Push the pause button. Easy, right? So that is everything I wanted to tell you. I want to say that the sound is actually pretty good. The bass is a little muddy, but I'm listening to it from an adult audio perspective. For a kid, these are going to sound just fine. In fact, it's interesting with kids that you can give them really bad headphones or really bad earbuds and they'll be like, oh, that sounds fine. So they're really not very discerning audio listeners, which is great. But these actually sound good, and I've been using these, and they actually, yes, they fit my much bigger than 4-year-old head, and they're super comfortable, they have great range, and they even have a built-in microphone, so I thought it might be fun to give you a demo of the audio. So let's see if we can get this demo to work, and now what you're hearing is my voice is picked up by the iClever BTH22. Now, your kids probably aren't on a lot of conference calls, but they might be on a FaceTime call or a Zoom call with grandma and grandpa or something. And so this is what they would hear, and you wouldn't be able to hear the other side of the conversation, which might be a wonderful thing. So your child can have their own little audio world. And of course, this is true of teens or anyone else who likes the design and the style. Now, let me get back to my regular microphone. And so there's actually a lot to like here. It's not, a world-class pair of headphones, but they're not intended to be. And the price is really kind of ridiculously low. So if you're looking for something where you can get fun, lively, and durable headphones for your little people in your life, these are really good options and definitely worth checking out. We should talk about the price, but before we do, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notifications of my new content, and I always appreciate a thumbs up, so feel free to click on that thumbs up button. Cool. These are the iClever BTH22 Kids Bluetooth headphones. They come in this very nice blue or an equally nice green, and they are $25.99, discounted down to $17.99, and there's currently a $4 coupon, dropping these down to a mind-boggling $13.99 at Amazon.com. $13.99. These are there's really no reason not to pick up a pair for your kids and just say, hey, surprise, I got you these really cool new headphones. Try them and see what you think. And don't even mention the volume limiting, because they'll just be really pleased and really psyched that they got these cool new headphones to show their friends, or maybe just to use while they're in the car because you're constantly driving. So lots to like here. The sound is surprisingly good, particularly for a $13.99 headphones. It's crazy that they can make them that inexpensive, but they're definitely worth checking out. That's all I got. I'm going to go back to my, kids programming. Maybe not. Anyway, I will hope to catch you in my next video.